Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you Appify. Now, what is Appify? Appify is a web scraping and automation platform that allows users to extract data from website and automate various online tasks. How does it work? Appify provides a user-friendly interface and a powerful scripting language to create web scripting and automation projects. Users can define their tasks, configure settings, and run them on Apify's cloud infrastructure. So let's now go ahead and head over to the main website of apify.com. But before we proceed, you want to check out the link on the description box below in order to get Apify free trial for free. Now from here, you can just go ahead and click on the sign up for free button, and it will then go ahead and take you to this page right here where you can then go ahead and use your Google account, your GitHub account, or your email address to sign up to Appify. Right after, it will then go ahead and take you to this page right here where you have to insert your name and your username. Go ahead and click on continue. And then for the second step, how do you want to plan to integrate Appify? You can use it to use manually, API key, no code integration, and not sure yet. Just to make everything easier, I'll just go ahead and click on the use manually button. Go ahead and click on continue, and now we can go ahead and get started. Now, what is Appify used for? Appify has a wide range of applications including data extraction, scraping data from website for market research, price monitoring, and content analysis. You have your web automation, automating tasks like form filling, logins, and data entry. You have your API integrations, integrating with APIs to retrieve and process data. And lastly, you have your web testing, which is performing load testing, functional testing, and browser automation. Now, one of the best features that I love about Appify is web scraping. You can extract data from website using CSS selector, XPath, or custom JavaScript code. You have your automation, which is to automate tasks using Appify's scripting language by integrating with external tools. You have your cloud infrastructure, run your projects on Appify scalable cloud platform. You have your data storage, store extracted data in Appify's built-in storage or integrate with external database. You have your API integration, connect to external API using Appify's built-in API connector, monitoring and reporting, track the progress of your project and generate reports, and lastly, you have your collaborations, collaborate with team members on projects and share results. So first things first, we have our store for Appify right here, and you can just go ahead and select an application to go ahead and extract data from. Let's just go ahead and say that we want to extract data from Reddit. So let's just go ahead and click on it. And from here, we can then go ahead and do this task right here. What data can I extract from Reddit? You have your popular subreddit, subreddit details, subreddit name, and basically every subreddit details that we have right here. To proceed, you want to go ahead and click on the create task button, and from here you can just go ahead and click on continue. Right after, we can now go ahead and modify this the way we want to. For example, you can just go ahead and click on view readme to read the instructions for the Reddit scripter or the Reddit scraper. And to proceed, we can now go ahead and modify this. You have your skip comment, skip user post, and skip community. If you want this disabled, you can edit out the search right here. Let's go ahead and click on add. And for our search term, let's just go ahead and type something like water, click on add, and you should be good to go with searches. You have your filters. I'll just go ahead and disable the include NSFW content. You have your limits, which is this one. You can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. And you have your proxy settings and the run options. Right after editing out your prompt right here, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and click on start. and you want to go ahead and click on this button right here, and you should be good to go. So guys, before we finish up the video, make sure to check out the coupon code or the discount code that I've left on the description box below to get the best deals on Appify. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.